Okay, I think I had a little minor camera setback, so I'm going to go this again. I'm going to install this wheelie bar. It's the Tiger wheelie bar set. It says PD9041. And I'm also going to install this ARRMA HD rear wing mount set. Alright, let's dive into this. I really can't. I'm going to take and measure this, and then I'm going to drill a hole that big in this so that this pokes through, is what I'm going to do, because I think it'll sit perfectly in there. So let's go into the garage. This is approximately 197 thousandths. I found me a 204 drill, 203 drill. It's like a number. I don't know if I can read it anymore. This is a 13/64. And I'm going to drill this hole out here. And we're going to see how it works. My handy dandy little debar tool. Okay. It's not going to fit down there, but that's okay. And I think we got a winner here. That fits nicely. And it should look just like that. So I'm going to go for it. I'm going to drill them out. And we'll go inside and put this puppy together. Hopefully we can... Okay, I'm going to drill this with a 13/64 drill or whatever it was. Go ahead and install these two birds real quick. And we're all done out here. This is going to be perfect. Take that in with me. Take our screws. And we're going to need some washers. Now I'm going to take my calipers too. Let's go back inside. All drilled out. So this guy's going to go over here. Just getting them started a bit, and got all my screws over here. Just started, so the little screws poking out a little bit. Not too much. Okay, I got those in there, and then you have this little detail here. You gotta kind of pop those in there, and then you've got these spacers here. You got the tall one, and this is actually the shorter one. The shorter one I always put on this side. Just makes sense to me because it pulls it away from the drive line. So, short spacer on the left side, opposite of the drive line. Scoop that guy in there. this side will be the longer side. Stick that in there. I just kind of let it get popped out a little bit. Get that guy popped out just a hair. And we'll put this other side in. Get your nut here. Goes in. There you go. I just spun it enough to start it. Then we've got the shorter one now. It goes back here. And here's the nut. Okay. I'm not going to get too carried away with getting stuff tight. So here's the rear. You can see there's X's on the inside. I don't have very good lighting in the house. Not in the dining room. So hexes are on the inside. And I'm just going to take, you just squeeze this. And then you squeeze this guy a little bit here too. Let's see if we can move this over here. Let's see if we can get a better view. Oops. So then you just kind of have to pull this apart and squeeze it. And they pop right in there. So now you can see that we have, see how these sit flush. Looks pretty good. Got some M3 screws with washers, and they are about 8 millimeters long. I don't know. Look like about 8 millimeters. Let's see if I can squeeze in there. And that's it. 4 screws with 4 washers. Jump over to this other side. Probably won't hurt to put some Loctite on those, but for now I'm going to call it done with that part, and we'll just jump back here to this part right in there. I'll zip these guys in. I got the clutch set really low on this. And I'll do the rest of my hand. Alright, that about does it for the wheelie bar install. Here's just a quick little overview of the kind of parts I've been putting in, some GPM and some hot racing. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link below for the Thunder Tiger wheelie bar. It's pretty much my favorite wheelie bar for this platform. And I'll leave a link below for the HD ARRMA wing mount. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, have a good time.